and we're off.
Vroom.
All right, kids, Milk and Eggs is here. I want to show you guys what I got. So come on. Take a look into my fridge. Every morning that Milk and Eggs gets here, it's like Christmas morning. It gets here before I even wake up. Whoa! He's very protective of his groceries. Okay, but I'm going to show you guys what I got. So there's strawberries, blueberries. I actually put my fruit into this drawer here. Ginger. This is for my juicing. This is the fruit and veggie bundle, so it comes all together, and I didn't even have to choose the stuff myself. It comes with kale, ginger, beets. We're gonna put this all into the drawer. Beets. I love to put these into my smoothies, and then I also use the leaves. That I think needs to be on top here. We got lots of apples. Whoa. I love how fresh everything is at Milk and Eggs. It can't even fit in the drawer, there's so much. Lemons and limes, 2 bananas. I don't put bananas in the fridge. Celery. As you guys know, I don't love to eat vegetables, so I try to get my nutrients by drinking them. All these bags come with ice packs. These bags you can leave at the front of your door the day before they come, and they'll pick it up. Just yesterday, we left a bunch of bags. Okay. Cabo chips. These buns, I'm planning to make some pulled barbecue pork. There is a pork loin right here. That's what I'm gonna use. Oh yeah. This Chipotle black bean hummus is so good, especially with those Cabo chips. I got a head of cabbage because I wanted to make a coleslaw for those sandwiches. I got udon because Dan loves udon. That goes in the fridge. Top. Man, there's so many veggies in my fridge right now. This is a sweet sausage. It's actually like a Taiwanese sweet sausage. In Taiwan, we ate these with raw garlic. So, we'll try that out here. And then, ooh, we got some Strauss half and half. This is for the espresso. Sweet potato fries that I'm gonna use for the sandwiches, and then I have an heirloom tomato. Veggies go on this side. All right, what's in the last bag? Oh my goodness, these are my favorite pita chips. They are so yummy. I love them with the hummus, my favorite snack. Okay, so in an attempt to be a little bit healthy, I got sprouted whole grain English muffins instead of regular English muffins. I'll leave those out. The kids love helping me unpack. Oh my goodness, I love the fresh pasta from Milk and Eggs. This one's from Domenico's, and I always get, this is actually the first time that I've gotten the fettuccine, but I always get the bucatini. This one, oh, this is the first time I've gotten this too. It's the fresh spinach penne. The bucatini, I'm sure you guys have seen videos. It's the pasta with a straw. It's hollow in the middle. It's the pasta and it's hollow in the middle. I love that one, especially the spinach one. Okay, so those will go there. And then I got salsa for my chips and homemade marinara sauce for my pasta. All right, the fridge is stocked. I'm gonna put these bags away to reuse. Oh, Tukey. Okay. And thanks for coming along on my Milk and Eggs haul and checking out my fridge. Have a good day, guys.
Liked what you saw? Please subscribe to my channel and like down below.